Hello, in this video I will show you how you can remove people from photos on Google Pixel 10. First of all, open the Photos app. Right now open the photo that you want to remove people from. Let's take this one for example and click Edit on the bottom. Go to Actions and open Magic Eraser. This feature allows you to remove people or anything that you want from the photos. So let's remove, for example, this guy from this photo, and right now you have to select the edges of the person that you want to remove. So watch what I'm doing. Right now I'm selecting this guy on the edges, and after that, as you can see, he is selected. So if it looks good, tap on Erase on the bottom. And now, as you can see, he's disappeared. So this is how it looks like. If something goes wrong, you can do it again by tapping the reverse button, the back button over here. But as you can see, it looks perfectly. So click the check mark. And after that, you can save this photo, save as copy. And right now, as you can see, this photo is in my gallery. This is the photo after the removing this guy, and this is the original. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching and subscribe this channel.